Mario.
Uy, tapos na mo. So what's up guys, we are back to my channel at ngayon ay ganoon naman tayo ng panibagong horror game. Pero sa Roblox game, ang nalawin natin dito ay is yung short story creepies. So, ang nalawin natin dito sa mag nata is lang. Tama ba to? Ay di pala ito yun. Ano nga ulit yung mga ano? Yung mga ayun, upod today ah. Ano nga ulit yun? Eh. Next, ano yung next? Next door ba yun? Ito, Nightmare Next Door nga, tama. Nightmare Next Door. So, bago tayo magsimula sa Nightmare Next Door dito guys, mag-like, comment, subscribe, and click notification bell para lagi kayong handa sa mga panibagong video. So, magsimula tayo. Let's go. Sa main lobby. Dalawa. Hindi tayo guys sa bahay. Dapat may nata to. I not rest. I need to go to study. Ano yung magalaw? Oh. Daki din pala eh. Ito, dito tayo. Oh, come on. Anong ingay na yun? Uy, madalang si bathtub. Anong ingay yan? Ayaw na masyadong maingay. Ito mo na baseball. Oh man. I can study with this night all the time. Yeah. I should give the guy after a piece of me. Saan ba yun? Dito? Labas na tayo? Dito ata yun eh. Ang ba? Ay, saan? So, ano, sa labas pa mismo? Ang taas, okay. Ganda ng ano? Ganda ng pagkagawa sa laro na to. Ano apartment to? Hey? Hey! Uy, puta! Wala ko. What do you want? Nagulat ako sa iyo? Could you please lower the volume? Kasi di ako makapag-aral ng may ingay. Gusto ko mag-study na walang ingay. Patayin mo yan. You always have it unbearable loud. You call this loud? Yeah. You're disturbing the peace. I bet you're the only one complaining. You're the uptype. Look, I will ask them now. Papatay kita. Papatay mo, ang sangbot mo ah. Tignan mo, ano pinapanood niya? Ah? So, babait naman tayo doon sa natin apartment. Ay, wala. Ano gawin? Nagatin. Ano ba? Ano gagawin? Ano gagawin? Eh, papasokin mo nga ako napapatay. Ano gagawin? Baka sige, papatay natin yung ano, yung generator. I think. Nagdadal. Excuse me. Are you home? Anybody there? Lumabas na din pala. Probably not home. Seems like they're often not at home. Not at home. Future is not just an empty room. Of course they don't complain if nobody lives there. No, isn't it? Empty. Sometimes I hear the door opening and closing. Doesn't seem to be anyone around today, thought. Hello? He was home? What do you mean? Look at the tricky too. That's the first time I've ever seen her. Why all the black? What's going on? Could you all go somewhere else, please? Pinabasan yung mga tao ngayon ah. Excuse me, can I ask something? Mataya ko na. I know you need us here, no? I'm from downstairs. Does the loud music from that apartment bother you too? Well, a little, but our rooms are separated. You should ask this next door. Just, she just left. And there isn't anyone else? What do you mean? I'm pretty sure more women are living there. A strange bunch. They all have a different figure, but they dress completely in the black. And they never say anything, not even a hello. They're unfriendly, if you ask me. It does all there. I still have work to do. Yeah, Mila. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. It's all work. Yeah. But doesn't really help me with the noise issue. Better get to my room to try some more studying. Oh, nasa pumunta, di ba? Ang bawan. Yeah? I'm study. Uy, puta ina mo. Whoa, what's that? My belongings and clothes are scattered. I should have locked the doors. Ooh, galing sa bintana. Puta. Ang dami. Dudes! Ginawa niya sa ano ko. Hey, hey, the music stopped. Alright. Hindi ko, what happened? After all the trouble he gave me, Oh well, I can finally do something studying. Yun, mag-aaral tayo. At babot na ng gabi. Ano ang mangyayari sa atin ngayon? Phew, it's already dark. I could really use a drink. I'm going to buy soda sa labas. Uy! Hey, may stalker tayo dito. Hey, baka pumasok ka. Tingnan natin kung mabubukas ang bintana na. Bakit ba ito ano? Sarado yung bintana? Bawal eh. Tara na at bumili na tayo ng soda. Tingnan natin kung may mga... Hello? Oh, wala ko no. Is that guy from upstairs? Hey, what are you doing there? Oh, it's you. Don't sneak up on me like that. What's gotten into you? You're white as a sheet. Can I ask you something? Sure. Those ladies next door to me. What's up with them? What do you mean? It doesn't make any sense. I don't know how many people live there, but they never make a single sound. And with these thin walls, I should at least be able to hear them talk or move around or something. It's freaking me out. Uy! Ah, hey, pag ginagawa. Sino ka ba? Sino ka ba? Who are they? What thing are they doing next door? What are they doing that not a single sound disturbed the whole? I'm going back to my room. See you around. Kalma lang yan. Ingi-ingi mo kasi. Ngayon, gagawin natin ngayon. Diba? Uy, pati ko yung masarado. Ay, what's that? I sound like in a dream from upstairs. At yan, mag-i-investigate na naman tayo. Hindi naman lagi ang ginagawa pag sa game. Mag-investigate. Tingnan natin sa taas. Uy, pusa oh. Meow. Whose cat is this? People say it's Arthur's face. Tingnan natin sa taas. Ginagawa niya. May nangyayari yata. May nakatayo. Oh! Hello? Are you okay? The door seems to be open. That's weird. is a complete mess here, and nobody's home. Yeah, dito ngayon. Must have been just look around somewhere. They really make many sounds. That is strange. Hidden all over there. How did they get there? Ayun to. It was me. Maybe that guy did it. Tingnan natin. Hoy! Putang ina mo! Gago! Hoy! Putang ina mo. Nagya. Yup. What is she? Those names. Why do they stand and contract? This mean all of those women with different figures? Is it the same woman? Where is she going? May galahad. Gagi. Napatalsik ako sa sigaw ko. Galing mo. She, she could still be in Norway. I need to look out the window outside. Is she gone? Uy! Puta nyo. Uy! Gagi! Roots! Namatay pa tayo. Your dead body was not only a month later. The police decided to stare. Neighbor killed you and run away. Ending 2. Oh, ending 2 pa to. Ending. Ay, may ending pa to. Tingnan natin ang ending 1. Patakbo ako. Sira kasi yung chip ko eh. Kaya di makatakbo ng maayos eh. Pero anyway, pag ako pinayos sa itong keyboard ko, makakalawan ako na maayos. Sige na, patuloy natin yung isang ending 1. May ending 1 yan. Tingnan natin kung may ending. Okay guys, natin yung tingnan natin. Hindi ako tawad dyan, alam ko na yan. Pinalipad niya ako sa pader eh. Hindi yung mata niya. Kasi yung may phobia. Phobia, yung phobia. Maraming bulas-bulas sa kamay. That is me, all of the woman with the different figures. And different one. Where is she going? Okay, grabe na. Tayo. It will still be it always. I need to look out the window outside this. Yun! Yun! Run na, lapit na siya, Run. Saan pupunta? Sa kwarto natin? Close. Woo! Tapos din ang ending. So, ito yata yung ending 1. Si Magdaod, you escaped just in the time. As if nothing has happened. The woman continued to live in the neighborhood as fast as you can ending 1. Tapos natin yung ending 1. So, maganda. Yung sabi, abalan. Tayo. So, dito po natatapos ang aking video. So, mag-iwan na kayo ng like, comment, subscribe bago kayo malis doon. So, ang ganda ng laro. So, dito na, babay na.